Hello. So today is day 7, I think, and the last video, day 6, I hope that's right. Anyhow, the last video I did, I remember at the end of the video saying that it was a gorgeous day, by the way, on Thursday. I remember there was a forecast put out that said the chance of chance of rain and possible snow. And look at that. My reaction to that was, no, I don't think we're going to get snow. So oddly enough, I was wrong. I should learn to believe the forecast, because I will be honest, they are getting better at forecasting, I believe, anyways. So, well, this is going to be fun. It's going to be a little hard. It's going to be a little hard to glue these. Oy vey. So I'm going to go across all these guys and take the snow off. Oh man. So this is the beginning of the day. Technically though, it's not the beginning, because this morning it was minus 16. That is crap. That we can save for January, not November. Thank you very much. Well, that's enough of this. I'll turn the camera off. Bye for now. Well, that concludes excuse me. Well, that concludes that part. We'll let that nicely bake in the sun. Bake is a big exaggeration, but the warmth of the sun will get it to thaw. Fun. Snow removal down here as well. First thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to replace that wooden post with a steel post and get the whole basement ready for concrete. That's just a couple minutes. Yeah. In the basement here, working on this post. I don't know, this is pretty, what am I hitting? Oh, strong back. Pretty ridiculous post here. No, it'll just be here. Crazy. I'll just turn the camera off here. Forget it, we'll leave it on. I'll probably just fast forward the footage as long as I don't shake my head around too much. So I'm going to guess presently, in the sun it'll be above 0, but in the shade I'm going to call it -1, -2. It's actually pretty nice, all things considered. Considered to minus 60. Okay, up. Nope, up. Last one. Okay. So now we'll just plumb up the post. Oh. Glad that's not loud. That might get irritating if it was too far. Perfect. Well, that's fun looking right into the sun. More. Perfect. Nope. Voila. Okay, that's the post. So, the only thing remaining down here, I should do a how-to on cutting these posts. I will do one. There's not much to it, but there's one major key. And I'll tell you the secret right now. When you're cutting, it's all about patience. Do not rev your sawzall. When you're cutting metal, don't rev your sawzall right up. You want to be about, that would be perfect. You can be up to here, no faster than that. Otherwise you burn your blade out. So this is an old Sawzall blade. I've burnt the tip off already. Oh yeah, look at that. Came right out. No, it didn't. All right, we'll do this sheet together. (1632, 48, 1632). Mark the studs. fun. I have to put insulation in that because you'll never get insulation in there if I don't do it before I sheet it. Voila! That was a less than stellar day. Got that sheeted. I think the top of the trusses will be pretty much free of frost now. I'll go check in a minute, scrape any last minute ice off the top. Hopefully tomorrow's better. Ta-ta.